So I heard you guys were wanting a tour of the new location. Or maybe that's just me wanting to show you. Let's go on a tour. In here we have our lobby, of course. I have it set up so that the chairs will not hold bacteria or get dirty. So you want to get some chairs that have a hard surface that are easy to clean like these. And of course, it is the holiday season. Christmas is in a few days. So of course we had to set up the Kelly Lab Christmas tree, which I love. And then of course we have our entertainment in the lobby, just in case somebody has a wait. But you know, Kelly Lab prides itself on not having much of a wait time. So they probably won't get to enjoy that entertainment very much. Okay, now also, when you check in, we have what is called the receptionist that is set up. That way we don't have to have a live person behind the desk that has to check everybody in. We also don't have any paper documents like a sign-in sheet or something like that takes up space, it's cluttery, and people can see who came in before them if you have a paper sign-in. So if you can, you should get a tablet or an iPad, and then you can get a subscription with the receptionist app. It's an app that you load onto the iPad, and then you check people in. We've had this on here since COVID. And honestly, this whole alert still stands today, because if you're sick, you're gonna have to get on up out of here, okay? So anyways, they tap there to check in. You can load this screen with any type of symbols and things that you want here. So it's all customizable. Of course, we have drug screen, DNA test, CPR classes, because that's what we do here. And then we get a bunch of deliveries. And we also have employees that need to check in, okay? So each selection has its own check-in process, which I will show you. So typing in the email, address, whatever, I'm just going to put anything in there. And then it even asks you to take a photo of your ID. This was important when we were doing like tests for the state, because we needed a copy of their ID. So they have to hold up their ID, take the picture. Okay, so once you do that, it saves it and it will send it back to my computer. Then they take a picture of their face for verification. Okay. Aww. And that saves that. And then it walks them through the COVID questions, of course. And then type in your name. And what is your phone number? Okay. And then why are you here? Because we have different types of drug tests. So even though they put drug test, we need them to select why you're here. So let's say we're here for a state agency, drug test, probation, CPS, whatever. Okay, then we have our in-clinic agreement. So wear your mask at all times if you're ill, keep your voices down, blah, blah, blah. So they have to agree to that, sign it, click, I agree, and there you go, it checks you right in.
Thank you. Please have a seat and we will be with you shortly.
Okay, so that is the full check-in process. And then of course the person would come and pick a seat, and then we would call them back after that. So if you're trying to get your check-in process together, I highly recommend getting the receptionist app and getting an iPad for that. Now into here, after we call the person back from the lobby, they will come in here, and this is kind of my station here where I will do all of the collections, and my collectors will do the collections. So we'll be sitting over here at the computer, and then they will be over here in one of these chairs. And I usually have them sitting out like that, depending on who it is or how many donors, or if it's a DNA test, and I have multiple chairs in this area. And then I have all of my supplies and things that I need in these cabinets. Let me turn the lights on. There we go. In these cabinets, we have all of our cups for drug testing. And then over here, we have DNA supplies for all of our DNA tests. And then of course we have our printer over here. You need a really good printer, an office size printer, so that you can do all your printing that you need. And yeah, everything is just really organized and set up for us to see clients. So this is our area for us to do our drug testing and DNA testing. Over here in this area, we have our restrooms. So we do have a bathroom that is inside of our location, and we also have access to the bathrooms that are outside of our office suite as well. So over here is the Kelly Print and Ship area. All right, this is where we package up all the supplies for the training classes and get everything shipped out. This is also where we ship out our DNA kits for our clients who order the non-legal test. And this is also where we're going to set up our fingerprinting station at once we get all of that approved and ready to go. All right, my favorite area of my office is the coffee station and where I warm up my lunches at and all that kind of stuff. So the coffee bar is my favorite. We went with the Drew Barrymore line because it is so cute. I love the colors, the gold and the cream color. And then I went ahead and got some gold and cream accessories, coffee bar accessories, and everything that I need. And then in these cabinets, we have all of the supplies for coffee, all the good stuff. This is my popcorn cabinet. Very, very bare bones in there. Also, this is the snack cabinet. As you can see, I need some more snacks in there. So yeah, back here is our classroom area. This is our training room where we do CPR training. As you can see, we just got finished with the class. And this is also where I will be doing the drug testing training and the DNA training. So any classes that we have will be held back here in our classroom area. So back here, this is where I'll be doing all of my training classes, including our Narcan training, which I will be offering to the community. So I bought this little mannequin head, and then we have our Narcan practice trainers that the students will be using to practice administering Narcan to someone who may have had an overdose. So we'll be incorporating that community class for the community because we are a Narcan distributor and fentanyl testing strip distributor through the California Health Department. So we're able to offer those resources to the community. So I also want to provide the training that's necessary so that they know how to actually administer the Narcan if necessary. So we're gonna be doing a lot of classes in here. So I'm very happy to have my classroom all set up in here for all of my students that will be coming in. Also, if you are planning to take a in-person training class here at Kelly Lab Services, this is where we will be. So as you can see, it's very limited seating in here. So we're gonna have small, intimate, hands-on classes where you can get a good understanding of the material and ask as many questions as you need to ask. So it's not gonna be this big old class where you can't focus, there's too much going on, and the instructor doesn't get a lot of one-on-one time with each student. I wanna make sure that anybody that comes for an in-person class gets all of my attention. So I'm not gonna pack out those classes. We're gonna have 6 people in each in-person class. So therefore, that way I can make sure that everybody has a 100% understanding of the material so that you can go out here and be the best collector that you can possibly be. Now let's go into my private back office. Now this is truly my favorite area of my office, of course, because this is where I get to hang out and do all of my work that I need to get done. Okay, so I have my desk. It is a sit-to-stand desk, so I do have my walking pad. Please ignore the cords, y'all. I'm trying to get it together. But this is my walking pad, so I can put this under my sit-to-stand desk over here. and get my exercise in, because I be needing to get my steps in, y'all. I sit a lot, and you know, having the walking pad really helps because I can still get some movement in. Now, let's talk about the star of the show back here. This boneless couch. If y'all have not experienced a boneless couch, go get one immediately. This boneless couch is so comfortable. Y'all, I'll be taking some serious naps back here, and it even has cup holders in it. Okay, you cannot beat that. Now, this is my little mini fridge. Okay, we got some Gatorade in there and some stuff in here. Pretty sure that yogurt is old, but that's okay because we're going to do a restock once we come back from the holiday. So, yes, that is my fridge. Okay, and then the bookshelves, I need more books. I gotta go buy some more books. Y'all put some comments of good books to read, because I want to go buy some. So definitely put your favorite books in the comment section below, because I did do a little book nook section over here, so I can sit here and read, take a break, drink my tea, and do what I need to do over here. And I hope to see some of y'all soon in my in-person classes. But I am tired, and it is time for y'all to get on out of here so I can go ahead and take a long nap. So I'll see y'all later. Get on out. Bye.